Last time we said TCP is the reliable one, the protocol that double-checks everything. But before it can send a single byte of your data, two machines perform a quick three-step ritual to agree to talk. It is called the three-way handshake, and it happens billions of times a second. Let's decode it. I'm Tessa, and this is Envision Decoded. The TCP three-way handshake is how every reliable connection begins. Three small messages back and forth before any real data moves. They go by the names SYN, SYN-ACK, and ACK. Think of it like a phone call. You do not start talking the instant you dial. You wait for hello, you say hello back, and only then does the real conversation start. Why all this before sending data? Two reasons. First, both sides need to actually agree that they are ready, so you do not fire data at a machine that is not listening. Second, each side picks a starting sequence number and tells the other. Those numbers are how TCP keeps every byte in order and notices anything missing. The handshake is where they get synchronized, which is exactly what the SYN stands for. So watch the three steps. They happen between a client, the side starting the connection, and a server, the side accepting it. First, the SYN. The client sends a SYN, short for synchronize. It is saying, I would like to open a connection, and here is my starting sequence number. At this point, the client is waiting to hear back. Second, the SYN-ACK. The server answers with a single message that does two jobs at once. The ACK part acknowledges the client's request, and the SYN part carries the server's own starting sequence number. In one packet it says, I heard you, and here is my side. Third, the ACK. The client sends a final ACK acknowledging the server's sequence number. Now both sides have agreed and both know each other's numbers. The connection is officially open and real data can finally flow. And when the conversation is over, TCP closes down just as politely, with its own goodbye messages, so neither side is left hanging. But the opening is always those three steps. SYN, SYN-ACK, ACK. So, to decode it, the three-way handshake opens every TCP connection before any data is sent. SYN, the client asks to connect and shares its sequence number. SYN-ACK, the server acknowledges and shares its own. ACK, the client confirms, and the connection is established. It exists so both sides agree to talk and synchronize their sequence numbers, the foundation of TCP's reliability. If the handshake finally clicked, hit subscribe so the next one finds you, and a like genuinely helps. Next time, we step back for the big map of it all, the OSI model, the 7 layers that every network concept fits into. I'm Tessa, this was Envision Decoded. See you in the next one.